How could anything ever grow here? Prosper? How much beating can one take? What I've learned is that a beating can build great taste. It can even build a home. This is our home. This is Trøndelag. A region born from chaos, believe it or not. 400 million years ago, the continent we know as America and Greenland collided with Europe, pushing masses of the seafloor over our region, molding the bedrock. Fast forward to the latest ice age. 20,000 years ago, ice formed our landscape and packed the soil with nutritious minerals from the bedrock. And when the heavy ice melted, the land rose and exposed marine sediments in our valleys, creating a perfect soil for life to thrive in. Today, our region holds all the extremes and everything in between. We face the sun at just the right angle. During summer it hardly even sets. But don't worry, you won't dry up in Trøndelag. We have plenty of water. And water is life. Thanks to warm currents and a nutritious seabed, our wide, shallow and uplifted coastline is bustling with it. The same can be said of our deep-running fjords, the polar opposite of our vast mountain areas, where only the toughest of species survive. Having to coexist with the elements might explain why some call us slow-moving. But time is actually the key. The key to creating something truly extraordinary. Time to lend a helping hand, to share a passion. And for Trondheim, our largest city, the time is now. All over town, new restaurants pop up, serving first-class produce from the entire region, prepared by world-renowned chefs reaching for those extra special stars. But there are also those who have made it their mission to dig deeper, connecting the dots that led us to this very point, and those who will lead us even further. The sum total of all these extremes have given Trøndelag great diversity. And this diversity is without a doubt the reason why humans chose to settle here. But it would mean nothing without the hard labor of those who call this home. Home of Nordic Flavours.